MCQ of Indian Constitution. Which article declare India is a union of states? Article 1 subclause 1 of the Constitutions of India. Which Indian Constitution article provide formations of a new state? Article 3 clauses A. What are the modes of formations of a new state? By separations of territory from any state, uniting two or more states, uniting parts of state, uniting any territory to a part of any state. Which Constitution's Part and Article deals with law relating to citizenship? Part 2, Article 5 to 11. What do you mean by citizenship? A citizen is a person who enjoys full civil and political rights. In that state, he enjoys full membership of the political community. What do you mean by citizenship? Citizenship simply means the membership of the political community or the state. Citizenship is a legal status determined by the specific rights and duties. Which part declare fundamental right of citizens of India? Part 3 of the Constitutions of India. Which article define fundamental right of citizens of India? Article 14 to 32. Mention one case relating to fundamental right. Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. How many fundamental rights in Indian citizens? 7 fundamental rights under the following heads: right to equality, Article 14 to 18, right to freedom, Article 19 to 22, right to education, Article 21A, right against exploitation, Article 23 to 24, right to freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28, cultural and educational right, Article 29 to 30, right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. One case relating to right to equality, India Nehru Gandhi versus Rajnarayan. What above says Article 14 of Indian Constitution? Article 14 says equality before law and equal protections of law. It means the state shall not deny to any person equality before law or equal protections of any laws within the territory of India. What is Article 15 says? Prohibitions of discrimination against citizens. It means it prohibits against citizens on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth, or any of them. What is Article 16 says? Equality of opportunity in public employment. What is Article 17 says? Abolition of untouchability. It means Article 17 abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form. What is Article 18 says? Abolitions of titles.